Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in MetaTrader 5 application. To change your language in MetaTrader 5, first of all, launch open the MetaTrader 5 application on your device and log in. Once you're inside the home page of MetaTrader 5, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, go ahead and click on the Interface button at the bottom of the screen, and on the next page, select a different language of your preference. Soon after you select the language, tap on OK at the top right corner, and then you'll need to restart the application for the change to take effect. So that's how you easily change to a different language of your preference on MetaTrader 5. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.